Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Casey here. Today's video is going to be a clean with me. Dave and Landon went on a trip to Colorado and they're coming home today and I'm so excited. And while the house isn't like crazy gross or anything like that, I want them to come home to a clean, tidied, like just perfect house, I guess. I don't know, like if there really is such a thing. But anyways, so I'm gonna, do it as quick as I can, get through every room, just have everything all prettied up for when they do get home so that we can relax and enjoy the rest of the evening together as a family. So I'm gonna put my hair up because, I don't want hair in my face while I'm doing stuff. And then I'm gonna start at the back of the house with our oldest room, which is pretty much clean. He cleaned it before he left, but I'm gonna put his laundry away and, spruce it up a little bit for him, and then just carry right on through. The kids have been busy drawing and making all kinds of things all weekend long, and their room actually is like a bomb went off with Legos, and so it looks worse than it really is, but it still needs a good mom clean today. So let's get it done. So I'm sitting here cleaning our son's room and tidying it up for him before they get back, and I was just kind of like remaking this bed and just thinking a minute because so this quilt is really special to me. It's made from, my grandmother made it for me, and she made it when I was a teenager out of my grandpa's old jeans. Hey buddy. And my grandpa passed away the weekend that we found out we were expecting with our oldest. And so he shares his middle name is the same as my grandpa's. And when I've used this blanket for many things over the years, like I've just always held on to it. It hasn't always covered a bed, but it's always been something that that I've used and treasured. But when I pulled it out of the trunk that it was in,
Can we have another cookie?
no. My oldest saw it and said, "Mom, I want that on my bed. I want that blanket on my bed." And so I was really excited that he wanted to use it to cover his bed. And so I have it in here, and I'm actually, like, my grandpa's been on my mind a lot because this month is his birthday month, and his birthday is coming up in a few days. And so to be here making the bed and thinking about my grandpa and missing him and just how wonderful he is, just a special moment, I guess, and thought I'd share it with you. And so anyways, back to work I go.